inaenda yote na inaendelea kuenda.
Drivers across the country have been urged to exercise caution and strictly adhere to traffic rules to curb the rising cases of road accidents. Speaking during the launch of a one-month training program for 120 drivers under the Usawa Kowate initiative, reckless driving, negligence and disregard for traffic laws were cited as key contributors to the surge in road accidents, urging drivers to prioritize safety at all times.
So I ask our drivers, not even this one's training alone, I know they will train. Those who are not training, they have trained, they are on the road to observe the road signs. This is one area that will make us reduce the accidents that we experience every day. We have the road signs, but they are vandalized. I want to call upon members of the public. I want to call upon maybe the drivers. I also call upon the pedestrians and anybody else who is making that mistake to vandalize the signs, the road signs, to stop that, because this is one of the cause of the accidents that we experience across the board. Drugs and substance abuse is also one of the areas of concern. This is something that can also cause accidents on the road. So if we get out of that, I am sure we will have little chances of getting accidents on the road.
Very well, that story.